Hi everyone. Today, today we are gonna look and see if market presents any opportunity to us. Hmm. So, so let's start from gold. Sorry, gold. What I can see on 30-minute time frame is again trap in between. This is the lowest area. This is the highest area. So we can't do in between this anything. On GJ, GJ I got that beautiful move, but I just cut it around here because it was just FOMO. So GG on 4 hour time frame. Sellers buyer are way in control. Sellers are coming. Sellers. Where we are, they broke below this. Buyers might step in from this area. So buyers is kind of bearish. This bullish candle it's printing. Lower high, lower high, lower high, low. Price so see price is making lower high in 4 hour in 1 hour time frame. In 4 hour we can see high and a proper high low. We are at the point of high low, but we are kind of bearish at this point. We are kind of bearish, so the support is not important for us because in bearish trend support is not held. This is the area from where sellers might step in. See, buyers bought, sellers are so strong, which means on 1 minute time frame, can we find any order flow from this swing till this swing? No, alright. See, market is printing like this, so we don't have a proper valid point from where we can sell. Maybe other peers presents opportunity. GJ, USDJPY, 4 hour time frame. You can see buyers are strong, sellers are weak, buyers are strong, sellers are weak, buyers are weak, sellers are also weak, buyers are kind of strong from this area, right? Until this area. Buyers are strong, sellers are weak. I think the price, the high. I think we are bullish on this. Kind of bullish, whereas it bounced from 15-minute time frame. 15-minute time frame. We are at we bounced from a good support. Where did we bounce from? Any order flow, another block? No. So if we didn't bounce from any order flow or another block, then this is the order block. So we can enter from here. We have to do risk free at this zone because from here price may just sell USD JPY. USD JPY. But why I feel this chart is why I'm feeling this is USD JPY. Why I'm feeling this is a bad trade, I don't know. This is the area where I should do risk free. This is the lowest point. So if price even flips, this would be my target. I don't know why, but I feel AUD USD. Let's see. USD JPY. Let's analyze this very properly. Okay, we are at a buying area. Price bought, price sold, price what? Price sold, but selling is weak. Buyers are weak. Sellers are also weak, which means, but we are in uptrend, so buyers are stepping in, which means they must go to this swing, and we are also at support. That is 1 hour swing. 1 hour is swing. Buyers are weak. Sellers are strong. Buyers are strong. Sellers are weak. Which means also bullish. 15-minute buyers are so strong. See, sellers are weak, weak, weak. From this area, what is this zone? What is this area? The area from where buyers might step in. And in 1 minute time frame, did we have any order flow from where market could reject? Yes, what we have. Just 1 minute. look, this is the area from where buyers might step in because I see buy prices so bullish. This point, so it also has created a pin bar and where we are at. Price mm, high and low. This is an order flow. See, and low, high, low means price is bullish from this zone. You can buy from this area. 15-minute, keeping our SL to be at around this point. And price taps here like this. This order flow asset should be facing here. It would be safe. And we didn't have any order flow left. So when price build that lower time frame structure, I entered here this point. So yeah, this is a valid setup. But you know what? Honestly, I am doubtful on. Honestly, doubtful on this. Did price broke below this? Yeah, kind of. Yes, I'm comfortable for the setup. So look, just let me place my SL. Let me place my SL. Let me place my SL, guys. 155.853, 155.853, 155, 853, 853, 155.853, 853, 155.853. So look, this is the area where I should do break even because this is the selling area. So sellers might step in at any time. And where will my target be? My target will not be this swing point because it is better to keep in this swing point. So market tapped here, yes. So yes, this is a risk-free trade now. Let's move as well to break even. Not a risk. We don't have any risk at this point. So if even price comes to this area and taps me at break even, I am very happy for that. I'm very happy to accept that because I know this is the rejection area on higher time frame. So if it rejects from here, most likely what I have seen from my journals, our price will just go downside. Okay, so this would be my final take profit. Final, this would be where I will book most of my trades. AUD USD that we can see on 4 hour time frame is price is kind of choppy, man. See, buying, selling, buying, sellers are weak, buyers are strong, sellers are so strong, buyers are kind of weak. But I don't trade the instrument at the time where I don't understand that pair. At this point, it was so understandable. See, buyers board sellers are weak, which means buyers will take control. But here we don't have any sort of thing like that. Sellers, buyers, sellers. No, we are at a midpoint. GBUSD, GPY. Which trade we took? USD GPY. Yeah, if price steps me at break even with this trade, I'm happy. And I must accept that. GBUSD trade. Do we have any opportunity? Sellers sold off, buyers bought, sellers. Buyers, sellers are way too strong, buyers are weak. Sellers can come from any point, and they came from this point, this order flow. This order flow is already tested. For our item from thesis, we are bearish until this point. Hourly, sellers, buyers are weak, sellers it's very weak. You can see price is very weak. On a high time frame, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell, buy. This is the point. Mm, 15 minute. Just got this point. It's our TP. Did we have any? No, we don't have any order flow from where we could sell, which means sold, price bought, price sold. Market taps into this order flow. But this order flow is way too big. It's not worth it. CUSD JPY already stopped me out at break even. This is a break even trade for me now. And I'm happy to accept the outcome for this. Next rejection zone is this point. We have a rejection zone at this area. So if price completely breaks through it, retest, then we can buy else. No. So for now, where did it bounce from? 4 hour buying area, where we are at 15 minute. And this is a proper 15 minute order flow. 4 hour swing point, 15 minute order flow. If you really want to buy, this also might be the possible scenario. 4 hour all trend line, all horizontal line. This is the lowest point price reached. Where did it bounce from? This is the 4 hour buying area. Where did it reach? Where did we get reaction from sellers, buyers, sellers? No order flow, no order block. This was the proper order block, and the only order block we have left. We had left. If you want to buy the low risk at this point, also we can buy USD for long term trade, which gives 1:4 RR, and we should just not. Where's my phone? USD if interested, we can buy again. But me personally, I will be buying, but at which point? Sellers a week at this point. Let's check my SL. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes. So now this is the long-term trade for me. ISL is at this point because this setup gave me break even. So I'm entering based on 15-minute order flow. This is a valid order flow. Buyers, sellers, valid order flow. Let's see. Hopefully the target for this, to be honest, is at this point. So 155.8051. Five point eight. USD card buyers are buyers. Sellers are stronger. Rejection area. No. Gold is just ranging. Card. USD CAD is at support area, but sellers are strong. Buyers are weak. Sellers are strong. Buyers are weak. Sellers are strong. Buyers are weak. Sellers are strong. Which means this is not a valid support. Price sold. We are at high time frame selling area until this point. Let's say there an order flow left. Yes, sir. More sellers. The lower. But this candle was not closed yet, so we could not take sales from this area. Just too early. 15 minute we can see price selling off. 1 minute I can see this area. It's my order flow. So if I sell, so USD CAD we can sell. USD CAD sell. I'm selling USD CAD, guys. Sell. SL will go to 1.36, 1.3679, 679. Seven nine 1.3679. Stop 1.3679. 79 679. So I just sold from this area because we don't have left any order flow and order block in this area. So this is the area where I should do break even. This is the area where I should book full target. So yeah, that's it. On USD CAD, I have USD CAD trade and USD JPY. 1 hour possible rejection on a higher time frame. This is the area where I should break even. This is the area where I should book full target. And yes, that's all. Because we just left this order flow. We don't have any other order flow from where price could reject. So yeah, this makes sense to me. This makes a valid sense to me. प्रेमी तो मेरे नाम नजर लग में तो मेरे नाम नजर मिलते हैं ताता TikTok, TikTok. So I'm gonna go live on TikTok for some time, guys. So I'll explain the trade, which also helps me to Hi everyone, today I took trades on two pairs, one on USD CAD and one on USD JPY. So this trade is on profit, kind of profit. So I'll explain you the reason behind these trades, the USD CAD trade. The reason for USD CAD buys are so simple because see in high time frame, 4 hour, what you can see on high time frame, price is totally bullish. See, higher high, higher low, which means buyers are more likely interested at this point. And in 1 hourly time frame, we can see rejection zones here. I could see the potential in this trade, so I just took it. Yes, TCPY.
You say your parents weren't rich, but they were good, right? If I don't show up to work, what happens if my mom can't pay the mortgage? And she's gonna look over, she's gonna come in my room, and I'm there on the fucking computer. Hold the fuck up, mom! I'm on the fucking course trying to learn. When I could be outside working, guaranteeing that I'm gonna make that bread to take home. You can do both, bro. Instead of staying at work till 7 p.m., you could go to work till 5 p.m. and then allocate the other 5 hours of your day to trying to do what has more ROI potential. That's what I was doing. Like when I started all this shit, I was in school, I was going to the gym, I worked a job, trying to save up money to be able to invest in my business, and I still made time. If you want,
Let's go, guys. Let's go. Let's go, guys. Let's go. So now I will now explain you what my refined things are going till now, like how I trade, on what basis I trade. Firstly, first step, bias is the most is straight first defining item price is the most straight control at their area is no trade. And what else? Is time frame where trade support bias. Just like, I mean, I will show you an example of this. Suppose in USD JPY, right? Why I took longs from here, long trade from here, because okay, I will explain on both USD CAD and USD JPY. See what I first saw when I came to market. I just look for my buyers. Buyers are so in control. Sellers are so. Buyers are also weak, but sellers are also weak. Buyers are strong, which means these buyers are again interested from this point. We can see from this candle because see this candle reflects this candle. I mean, the people who bought at this time are also coming at this time because this candle itself shows like yes we are buying. This candle shows no, we don't want to go down more, and where they showed this thing at the area where previously they bought, which means most likely price will head to this area in 1 hour time frame. What we can see is so most likely my higher time frame thesis is bullish because of this thing what I just said. For on 1 hour, sellers, buyers are strong, sellers are weak because they can't even eat two candles. One, two, three, four, one, two, see. Sellers, high time frame thesis is completely bullish. So this trade was on based on a 4 hour time frame. Okay, see, this was the area from where they might step in. Buyers might step in. In 15-minute time frame, what I saw was price rejecting from the only order flow we have. This is the only order flow we have. So why I choose this order flow and why not this order flow? Why not this order flow and why not this other order flow? Because we choose order flow on the area where uh, higher time frame buyers and sellers are interested. Like this order flow is the refinement version of this order flow. It's not an order flow, an order block, but it's a kind of order block because this is the place where they recently bought, and the higher time frame order block is also very important. But in lower time frame, we just look for an order flow. So what I saw on 15-minute time frame was the only order flow we have. So this was not my trading time. 1:30 was my trading time. I came, I entered at this point because that 1 minute trade gave me break even. 1 minute also had the same concept, but 1 minute take profit was just here. This was the B point because price could reset from here. But on hourly a 4 hour thing, 4 hour bias, we just buy and don't care whatever it does. I don't care now, whatever it does. My big break even point is here, and my TP is here. That's all what I'm looking at. 15 minute, this is the break even point. So look for this reason uh, everything is same every time. See where we are at support, high time frame support, but see, I'll explain you one thing. Buyers are so weak. Buyers are so weak. Sellers are so strong. Buyers are so weak. See, they have shown multiple times that we are weak, 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 which means they will not help. They will not hold this support, and this support is not a valid support now because see, sellers are so strong. This candle, see, this what this candle indicates. This candle indicates that this candle possibly will just close like this bearish, like this kind of. And on hourly time frame, so my higher time frame thesis is bearish, although we are at support. Hourly, so hourly also shows buyers losing momentum. Buyers losing momentum, so sellers are interested. 15-minute, what we can see, buyers, sellers are so strong. See, buyers they are weak. So this was the area and the only area from where I could look for sales on 15-minute time frame. Also in 1 hour time frame. But we had no any order flows left. So on 15-minute time frame, price sold, price bought up to this point. What is this point? This point. This is the area where high time frame is. High time frame sellers are sitting here. Means sellers are interested from this zone. Also on this zone, but also they are sitting at this zone, but this candle was not closed at the meantime. So at this zone now, let me see on this zone is an order flow of smaller time frame. What is the smaller time frame for 15 minutes? It's 1 minute. So we see an order flow, valid order flow. Buyers, sellers, buyers. Boom, boom, like impulse move. Sellers. That means this is the only impulse area, and if price steps here, we place a sell limit. Placing a sell here, TP into this point, because this is the swing for 15 minute. To be honest, bro, if price comes to this point, it will just sell off hard. But I shall not be greedy. I shall place to the point where it makes sense. This is the break-even area because price might just reject from this point. CPY is coming. Here is what is gold doing? Gold wants to buy. Well, we can see our gold. It's been a long time I have not traded gold. Gold. Gold is trying to break that level. Gold. Buyers are in control, sellers are weak. Sellers buying also weak, selling also weak. Just a trap. Trash price action. Trash. Completely trash price action. I don't know what is this price action trying to say. And one thing, the thing that I don't understand, like the price action that I don't understand, I don't trade that. I only trade the price action that I understand properly. Oh yes, sir. He'll break even on USD CAD. At this point, I am not fearful that price will hit my break even, and not fearful also that price will hit my not greedy as well. Why is this SN not being moved? This is my final area. Managed to 3. It's fine for me. It's more than enough for me. So GJ kind of buyers, sellers, buyers. This is crazy. No, nothing special on other players. USD CAD almost take profit. Oh yes, sir. Booking USD CAD. Bulk operations plus USD CAD sell positions. I'm out from USD CAD trade. Completely out. Made good one is the 3. USD JPY. Let's see how it plays out. So okay guys, I'm done for the day. These are the only trades I will be taking because I don't like to be on charts too much. I just want to enjoy my life. So if you think that way, then chart is gonna make sense to you. If you think like no, I just should make now, then no, bro, it will never make sense for you. So that's it. Thank you for today. Thank you for looking for my life. Thank you. See you on the top. Bye bye. No.